I want to say something. I want to say, I need to say something. Thank you, Your Honor. I was uh, I was a prize fighter, and my job was to take all the hatred and skill that I could muster and send the man to his destruction. Now, I did that, but Ruben Hurricane Carter is no murderer. For 20 years, I spent locked up in a cage, considered a danger to society. Not treated like a human being, not treated like a person. Counted 15 times a day. You see, I served my time in a house of justice, but yet there is no justice for me. So, I ask you to consider the evidence. Don't turn away from the truth. Don't turn away from your conscience. Don't ignore the law, but embrace the higher power for which the law was meant to serve. Justice is all I ask for, Your Honor. Justice.